Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the November highlights for everything fruiting in the garden. So starting off strong here, we just pulled off a lot of the bacon avocados. It's been really windy, so these fell off on their own. There's been some damage for the ones that fell on the rocks, but these are really delicious avocados. And then we have lots of persimmons. They're all off the tree now. We have 2 persimmon trees. If you're interested, we have a video on specifically persimmons, all about them, when to harvest them, and some recipes, so you can check that out. And we have passion fruit as well. Here is our passion fruit vine. We've had passion fruit producing all summer. Now that it's November, there's a whole nother round of passion fruit coming about. Here's one here, and you can see passion fruit vine really just takes over. There's lots of fruit over here. And there's one of the flowers, which are so beautiful. Look at all these. So we will have lots of passion fruit all throughout the winter, and we had it all throughout the summer too. So this plant, it's a couple years that we've had it, and it's just a great producer. We also have various banana plants throughout the property, and we have, if you can see, some bananas starting right here. Here is another banana rack that we have, and these are actually starting to yellow, so this one is ready to take down. Here's another one we have, and this banana plant is just starting to flower. You can see little bananas starting to pop up in there. And here's another banana rack. And we have some broadleaf papayas right here. These probably won't be ready for another couple months. All right, here we have some pomegranates. And this tree, it gets a lot of shade, so they don't really get very big. But there's a couple left on the tree here. Over here, we have our tangerine tree. This one's one of my favorites, and you can see they're starting to get orange. And this tree's just loaded this year, and these would be ready usually around March. Over here, we have our grapefruit tree. This one's starting to yellow, also super loaded this year. And these are ready usually more in the winter and spring. So they're starting to come along. All right, we have our orange tree here. Has not started to orange yet, but lots of fruit on there, still green. Here's our bacon avocado tree. Some bacon avocados here. When these have ripened, I'll make a video on bacon avocados. There's some more up there. You can see. Over here there are some guavas. These are of the pink variety, so these aren't ready yet. Our guava tree produces about twice a year, and these won't be ready for quite a while. There's lots of little green fruits on here now. And back to the avocado tree up here, I'll leave you with, if you don't know me, my name's Jessica. I grow in an organic edible landscape in the suburbs of Southern California, and we are adding on more and more fruits and vegetables that we're growing till the whole landscape is edible. So if you're interested in that or have questions about growing in California, please subscribe and take care. Any questions, feel free to ask at the bottom.